Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Groveland local and long-distance movers near me. We can help you move across state lines or even across the country. Our team will work hard to ensure every service you need is provided. Here are some of the things we can provide you: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Understanding the benefits of hiring a Florida moving company helps to justify the cost of your local move. When you hire the right team of professional movers, you gain back your time. It makes moving much more convenient and gives you the ability to focus on other tasks. Plus, you get professionals taking care of your things during the move. A team of movers from 3 Movers can ensure your move goes smoothly and much faster. Your household move may take an entire week for you to do on your own. We can get you packed up and moved in just one day, or even just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Groveland moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.